I'm looking really rough, but right now I'm about to go ahead and show y'all how I coil my hair. I just washed and conditioned my hair. It is very wet, but so all I do is use the TWA. So I apply a generous amount all over my head and just kind of like comb it through each section until it's all covered. Comb it all through while it's really wet. I like to pull it from the root to the tip, or comb it from the root all the way to the tip, like literally combing it through. So you can kind of feel it slide through your hair. At the end, I'll use a little bit for my baby hair. Alright, so as you can see, I've already went ahead and did the perimeter of my hair already. So basically all I'm doing is separate my hair by finger. Some people use the comb method where they coil their hair with the comb, separate their hair with the comb. I feel like it's easier and it's faster for me to go ahead and just do everything by hand, because I mean my hair is only so long anyways. But yeah, so I am starting from the root all the way to the tip. Once it's detangled, you can go in with like a wide tooth comb or one of those wig brushes, I guess, and detangle your hair prior to adding the product on your hair. But I like to do it this way because my hair does not really get that tangled anyways. So apply the product, or make sure you have enough product on each particular part that you've separated, twisting it from the root all the way to the tip, and you're going to just repeat this for the duration of the process. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward just a little bit. Once I get to a good point, I'll check back in. And we got a surprise cameo from my husband. Out there talking to you about
video games.
He want to play games with you so bad.
He drunk. He walked up there with a fireball, came down, grabbed something else, and had a ginger ale in his hand. Them boy up there lit.
That's the one with the dog?
Yeah. You should see his ankles. He's doing too much drinking.
They swollen? So at this point, my arms are extremely tired, but my hair is very dry at the top. So I went in with some water from my spray bottle to add some moisture to the top and some more product. Okay, so now I have made it to the back. It normally doesn't take me this long, but like I said, my arms were tired of reaching up over my head. It normally takes me about maybe 45 minutes to get through my whole head, but at this point I'm already leaning on the chair for support, trying to push through the rest of this tutorial, but still doing the same thing. Finger detangling, coiling from the root all the way to the end. Alright, so as you can see, I have just a small patch left. I'm going to finish that up and then we're going to start to lay these baby hairs. So this is just me making sure that I didn't miss anything and that everything is coiled all the way to the end. I'll go and retouch some of them that looks like that they were not coiled correctly and just recoil it, maybe add a little product to the tip of it. And that is pretty much it. After I'm done coiling, I go in with some jojoba oil and make sure my root is very well moisturized. I massage it in just a little bit. So here I'm coming back with the TWA heat and adding it to my baby hairs. You can use whatever kind of edge control that you like to use, but I like to use this product. And I just swoop it with the toothbrush. I feel like maybe baby hair shouldn't take this long, but I'm very particular about my baby hairs, making sure that they are actually baby hair and not just a bunch of hair. So I'll do the same thing to the other side. And I'll actually go ahead and zoom through this side, so I feel like you get it. So that's basically the ending result of the other side. And that's it. So this is the final product of how it looks. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for being with me, and go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.